Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your southeastern regional forecast. We're still watching them very closely. We have had an update now and just a slight downgrade in the overall wind speeds, but still a very dangerous and life-threatening storm as it tracks through the Caribbean. It is headed towards Florida, and it looks like we could have a direct impact with southern Florida as we head into this upcoming weekend. So there is the view of Irma as of early Thursday. You can see a very intense eye wall. Again, the winds up to 175 miles per hour, which is down from the 185 mile per hour range that we had yesterday and the day before. This has been a record in terms of how strong the winds have been over an extended period of time. You can see a number of these hurricane warnings in bright red to include the Turks and Caicos, the Bahamas, and also Cuba under a hurricane watch. But now included in that is southern Florida and the Keys, where mandatory evacuations are already in place. And again, the cone of uncertainty, still a little bit of wiggle room here. But regardless, we are expected to have some major impacts to southern Florida, up and down Florida, and also maybe a secondary landfall as we get into that early portion of next week, either in Georgia or South Carolina. Again, still some uncertainty there. But if you live along the coast or in the southeast, you want to pay attention to the latest forecast and prepare for a very devastating storm system. You can see the outer bands impacting that already by late Friday, but the bulk of the wind and the storm surge impacting the region by the second half of the weekend.